Welcome to Exodus versus TronLink wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both products are in the description below. In this video, we'll break down the features of Exodus and TronLink wallet to help you decide which one suits your needs. Exodus is a feature-packed software wallet designed for those who want a versatile, user-friendly solution to manage a wide range of cryptocurrencies. With support for over 200 coins and tokens, Exodus is perfect for anyone looking for a wallet that offers ease of use combined with a sleek, intuitive interface. It includes an integrated exchange, allowing users to swap cryptocurrencies directly within the wallet. Its portfolio tracker also provides investment insights, which is a valuable feature for active traders. Exodus is ideal for beginners and intermediate users who want an all-in-one, easy-to-navigate wallet. However, being a software wallet, it's connected to the internet, which means it's more vulnerable to hacking compared to hardware wallets. TronLink wallet, on the other hand, is specifically designed for the Tron TRX blockchain ecosystem. It supports TRX and various TRC10 and TRC20 tokens, making it the go-to wallet for users in the Tron network. TronLink stands out with its integration into the Tron ecosystem, offering seamless access to dApps, decentralized exchanges, and the ability to stake TRX directly from the wallet. For users who are heavily involved in the Tron network or want to engage in Tron-based DeFi, decentralized finance applications, TronLink is an excellent choice. It also offers robust security features like private key management and the ability to back up and restore the wallet. In conclusion, Exodus is the better choice for those looking for a multi-currency wallet with an easy-to-use interface and built-in exchange features. It's perfect for users who need a versatile wallet for managing diverse assets. TronLink, however, is tailored specifically for users who are active in the Tron ecosystem, offering advanced features like dApp interaction and TRX staking. So if you're into the Tron network, TronLink is the clear winner. But for general cryptocurrency management, Exodus is a solid all-around wallet. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details on both wallets.